triple three. This angel number is saying to you today. Triple three is a confirmation from your guides that you should take action. That bold idea you have been tossing around will pay off handsomely for you. Type triple three to invite fortune and success into your life. God is saying to you today, my child, this life I give you is not about you. You were created in my image to live for me, to be a source of love, help, and comfort for other people. Seek me and you will find your purpose. Restrain from doing what you want and ask me to expose to you what I want from you. I love you. The universe is saying to you today, find peace and joy in the present moment, and you will begin to feel complete in every way. Be the architect of your own life and build its foundations on solid ground. Choose what you wish to fill your life with and take the action to make it so. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you.